Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox with music on mobile. First, open your favorite music app, like Spotify or Apple Music, and begin playing your chosen tunes. Make sure the volume is just right for you. This initial step is crucial for a seamless experience, allowing your music to run in the background as you dive into your Roblox adventures. It's super easy to set up. Now, with your music already playing, go ahead and launch the Roblox app. Once you're in the game, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Sound or Volume section. Here, you can fine-tune the in-game audio, ensuring it doesn't overpower your background music. You want a perfect balance, so take a moment to adjust these levels to your liking. The key to a great experience is balancing the volumes. In Roblox settings, reduce the game's sound effects and music to a lower level, perhaps around 20 to 30%. Then, use your phone's physical volume buttons to control your music's loudness. This allows you to hear both clearly without one drowning out the other. It might take a minute or two to find your ideal mix. If you encounter any issues, try closing both Roblox and your music app completely, then reopen them. Also, ensure your device's settings aren't restricting background app activity for your music player. For the best audio quality and immersion, I highly recommend using headphones. This setup provides a richer sound and helps you focus on both your game and your tunes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.